Plumbing without planning can cause problems in the future. Let's learn a few essential things about plumbing. The inlet should be at an elevation, otherwise it can cause problems in the drainage system and hamper the flow of water. Always take the advice of your engineer and plumber while planning. Remember, only buy ISI-marked materials from a genuine dealer. And choose your pipes according to the flow of water required. The pipes that supply drinking water must be rust resistant and should have a filter. When installing the pipeline, check the joints for any leakages. Due to leakages, water can enter the concrete structure and the walls. Don't lay water supply and drainage lines side by side. Otherwise, clean and dirty water could get mixed. These were some tips about plumbing. To know more information regarding this, please contact us, agvisionhouse@gmail.com or 9741535072. Like, share, and get notified. Please keep watch tips on Dream House by AG Vision House.